How to fix Xiaomi Redmi 15 Pro Smart View not working. Let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. So hold and press volume up and power button at same time. And from here simply swipe up, then mobile phone will be off and then it will be turned on. And second step is checking your internet connections. So open any browser app and from here you can see that internet is worked properly. And after that, third method is open settings app and select about phone, and from here you can see option update. Click on this and from here checking your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it to latest versions. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.